Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use the Periscope Telephoto Macro Mode on your Motorola Signature smartphone. To use this mode, you have to open camera. Make sure to open the photo mode and move your camera away from an object that you want to capture by about 1 to 4 centimeters. Maybe a bit farther than that, and at some point you will see this flower icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. If it's selected, that means that the macro mode is enabled, and we can disable it by tapping on this icon. And now at this point we can zoom in a photo and make sure that to keep the camera steady, because as you can see it easily switches to another one. Take a photo, and that's basically how you do it. You can also enable the macro camera without zooming in the Pro mode. Just switch to the Pro mode and tap on this flower, and once it starts glowing blue, that means that the macro mode is enabled. However, you cannot zoom in nor out in the Pro mode with macro camera enabled. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.